That was
Good
good.
morning. Morning,
I still
guys.
wanted lower. 70
Morning,
wasn't enough.
morning.
What I could have done is I could have scaled in, I guess. Right? That would have been
I
something
mean,
I've
I
been
kind
trying to
of
do
don't
more
want
of.
lower. If we get lower, I think we see lower. But I'll
I don't
trade the
think so
downside too
because
if we can break 567s.
the way I look at
Morning.
it is I still think ES has support at 56 down in that area. So I don't see a reason. I mean, ES would have to start really going too for us to go.
Hola.
And Q
Morning.
is hola, buenos días.
Good morning.
Buenos
Daniel,
días.
look at Nvidia and look at SMH.
Damn, Nvidia
Yeah,
back to
Nvidia getting
180,
beat up.
178. Ooh,
178.
that's a big level for
Apple's
Nvidia.
scrapping. Apple's scrapping.
Um, it keeps holding 276.50. That's a big level for Apple. It's been holding that level for like, I don't know, a week now, for a few days.
Yeah.
That was previous highs on Apple. Oof.
Yes, gold might say hi to you again at 75. It give whole 68.
Need to pull back though. This is like way too strong.
No, I don't like to trade gold the first 30 minutes of the market New York open.
Yeah.
Yes, looks good. I mean, I don't know what to say. Yes is held nicely there. It looks
Yep.
interesting.
We have a gap above. So, um, maybe I'm gonna wait for that. Maybe.
That 70 hold amp though. Wow. What a good call out that was.
Yeah, I'm just looking at yesterday's value in the balance range low. I mean, that's kind of what we're holding up right now. I can send a.
Yeah. Amp has some magic balls.
I mean, seems like an interesting
So here's
choice of
sort
words.
of the chart I'm looking at, and then here's the TPO.
Yeah.
We
I'm with
opened
you,
back
bro. Hey,
inside yesterday's range and held the value low. So good sign so far for potential rotation back up of this overnight move. But if we close and trade below 67, then yeah, I can see another leg down. Maybe not all the way down, but we'll see.
Oh man, I'm so mischievous.
I kind of just really want to see us hold the anchored VWAP from overnight low.
It's because it comes after December 10th. Bro. Gotcha.
I want to see NQ going a little lower to 550.
yeah, I said 540 earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah,
550.
I
Yeah, around
that's what
there.
I want to.
550,
Yeah,
540. Yes.
yeah. But amp doesn't want it down there. I'm.
Well, to be honest, all I want is clean price action. It's all I want.
I want to get out of this damn zone.
I want
Like,
$1 million. Dude.
okay, all right. I mean, hey, listen, I'll take that too. In fact, leave us in the zone. Just give me the million. That seems like a
Yeah.
better move. I'll be honest. Yeah.
I
I
almost
can only choose
skipped
one.
today. I'm so bored of trading this.
It's been
You're not
not.
why aren't you trading options, ADR?
What did I trade options?
Why are you not?
Oh, I'm only trading options when I see good swing trades.
Okay. Somebody asked you yesterday, right?
Maybe.
And you're like, oh, I'm not trading options.
Oh, yesterday. Yeah, I'm not trading options on that price action. Like the Greeks are gonna eat your contracts.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So I see no
The market does
point
not-
on trading options on these price action. It's bad
Even
with
though I love
futures. Imagine if the market is not moving and you're holding your 0 DTs.
yeah, that's true.
Recipe for disaster.
Even though I loved trading SPX, I'm kind of glad I pivoted away from it. There's more opportunities on this side than there are trading that.
I mean, if you trade
What?
SPX, just trade ES.
Yeah. Yeah, you're right.
Oh God, dang! Come on. I need you to. I wasn't low enough yet. It was good though. I mean, again, like these pushes down are being brought right back up, at least for now. 55 there.
Gotta be quicker than that.
But
Yeah. Hold on. Somebody to put that in there.
Ooh.
ES just still like pretty strong,
That was a good
just
one,
like
too.
yesterday.
Yeah, it's because YM and RTY are pushing it.
Oh, did YM?
YM is freaking flying right now.
Oh, I was
So is
waiting for
RTY.
a pullback on RTY. Never got that. Pullback to previous all-time high on IWM. I don't know how RTY is looking, to be honest. I traded using IWM.
Yeah, it's flying. It's going back to previous day high. Almost there. We have news at 10, right?
We had
Yeah.
unemployment this morning. What's at 10?
Inventory, some shit like that.
Nope. Not on my, not, I mean, I don't have it on my thing. Does anybody else have that? I'll check. Hold on, I'll check.
Final wholesales inventory. It's a yellow one. It's not really impactful.
Trying another long here. I'm long at 86.
This guy with the longs, huh?
I mean, listen,
It's
he
a
said
good
70
hold, though,
two
right?
times in a row. He's hit that and it's gone 50 points. I mean, it's hard to complain.
Amped long legs.
We'll
is what
see.
they
We're
call 'em.
like compressed between. Yeah, we're really compressed right now, though.
You know what? I wish that Tradeify had a button to center your. I don't even know where how the price will be at 582.
We are compressed in
Well,
between
there's
overnight
button.
low VWAP and then RTH open VWAP. Kind of.
There is a button. It's called go to last. Holy shit.
We're watching the 15-minute orb. Is that what you, let's see. Let me pull that up. Ross, let me pull that up. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, I
goodbye
got
NQ.
stopped.
Goodbye NQ.
Okay.
That would be because of Nvidia and SMH and Apple. Apple's crapping.
Meta is going straight up though. Apple.
Google. Look at Google. Tesla. Yeah. Tech is kind of weak today. I want to pull back on gold, like a bigger pullback.
Gold. Joshua looking for his 4,500.
Stop it! Don't say it loudly, dude. Come on, man.
I'm waiting for 60 to see what's gonna happen, how the PA gonna look around there.
Yeah, I like that area. Even though
58.4.
if we get down there, like you're gonna give back that entire 15-minute candle, and that's not bullish.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
it
so
also the retest of the previous 30-minute candle, and that's the top of the previous 30-minute candle.
Yeah, but you want this 30-minute candle to close bullish in order for you to. Yeah, actually, you know what? We'll see. Rejecting PDH now.
I like when
Probably a risky long here.
yeah, I'm gonna.
RTH previous day low, previous
I'm
week
doing the same.
50.
I'm doing the same thing, Amped. I'm gonna try it. So I'm only gonna do 15 is my stop, right? So I won't take it much, but this is selling heavily. So I'm going in small size,
Yeah, I'm gonna wait a little
right? I'll
bit.
give 15 points, and then I'll bail out and I'll reevaluate. But there's enough here where we could do a little bounce off this PDL. The VWAP is right below on ES as well, but a point down from where we are now. The only thing I don't love is that the actual break of the orb low on ES, but again, like it's the chance we kind of can bounce from here. So gonna take a small shot.
I'm gonna watch these 60s, 56 on ES.
Okay, so I'm out
Yikes.
for now. I'll reevaluate it. It's still pushing down pretty heavily.
I don't think longs
Yeah.
are in the books today, guys.
Yeah, as soon
Clearly,
as we lost
not
that
yet. Not yet. Be careful with that idea at the moment.
Man, what happened to Apple today? It's dead. Is this because of Oracle earnings?
I didn't think that Oracle had that much bearing in the market, but I guess so.
I think it's not like that. I think it's because of the outlook of the AI bubble. Because pretty much everything's moving based on AI.
Yeah, and Oracle's not that big of a deal, honestly. I don't know why people are stressed about Oracle. It's nothing.
And we have Broadcom today, I think so. Broadcom, it is important.
Look at this selling. Holy smokes.
But also, I always think that the market needs a little bit of time to really digest what happened with FOMC.
Oh, for sure.
That's why I kind of wanted to skip the rest of the week. I didn't want to trade today. I'm waiting for Monday. I'm waiting for next week.
There's your 60 on gold, Sasha.
Yeah, but I'm waiting every day. The first 30 minutes, I wait to see if gold is gonna sink in with the ES or we're gonna inverse.
Gotcha.
So plus what ADR just say, makes a lot of sense. So I'm gonna wait for 10.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a ways down there, but we do have like a so like an RTH gap at 25.78. Well, I mean that's way the fuck down there. Never mind.
25078.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay. That's. I'm not looking for that today. I'm not looking for 400 more points from here. I mean, it's possible, but I mean that's going to put us at like what 3% down in the day, give or take, something like that. Pretty substantial move. Back over that 480 is interesting, but be careful here. See if this is an actual dead cat bounce. What we're gonna do here. I just don't see. I'm gonna be completely honest. I don't see much of a reason to bounce right
Oh,
there.
this is what I
Well,
was looking for. Not 25.078. I meant fucking 25.390.
okay, okay.
Yeah, we still got like a RTH gap down there for NQ.
Yeah, 382. Yeah, I see that.
Yep.
382. Yeah, I could see that.
I have two areas on NQ 340 and 414. I'm sorry, 430 and 414.
Please just push down for me. You gonna do that really? It's gonna stop there. No, I keep going. Maybe a little more. Yeah.
Damn, jeez, what a candle, dude. Wow.
Yeah. Okay. That was good. Took about 25 points there to the downside. And that for me was strictly as I'm looking at the chart, I saw no reason why we would hold there, right? I don't see a level that jumps out at me as a level we would hold. There's no reason to be holding there. We need lower, personally for me. So I took it knowing that, or thinking that before we had any significant hold level, we need to be lower. And obviously the candlesticks look incredibly weak.
Yeah.
That push back to
Snagged
25.5,
a short there
right?
too, waiting for my last one to get out.
25.5 rejection was heavy, was hard. It came down and hit that really hard on the 2 minutes. So, and I probably could still be in this very easily. Like I took everything off at 48, right, and it's still coming down. So, here's your 30.
Nice falling knife.
What I would want to see now. You're watching like 68.34 on ES. I'd be watching, honestly, 420, 430, kind of where we just were. That's an interesting spot. If we end up losing that, we're gonna get 382, 384 for that area there is gonna happen. And again, 68.30, 68.35 is what I want on ES at this point. So that's what I'm watching for.
Y'all know how people say scale out, like they'll say like scale out 50 or 75% of your position first
Mhm.
Mhm.
and then trail small size. Has anybody heard of scaling out smaller first and then more as it gets higher? Like for an example, say you have 3 targets with 5 contracts and you take one off
Yeah,
at 20 points, 2
I
off
honestly
40
have
and 2
tried
off
Yeah.
6.
both. For me, it works better the other way around. First, taking most of my profits and then hold like maybe 2 runners. Because I've
I agree.
noticed whenever if the trade goes against me, I go red or break even. If I scale out a little bit
Trading
and it holds most of my position open.
okay, trading in the zone in the last chapter has a wonderful sample of that. Taking the same amount of contracts, scaling out less in the beginning and more at the end to catch most of the move. But I
That's
am with ATR.
what they talk about.
At the end
So
of like
Yeah, I was
the last chapter, it gave like a wonderful sample.
I think too that that's really gonna depend on how you trade, right? If you are someone who's trading 6, 7, 8 hour trades, maybe that makes more sense, right? You're looking to make long hits,
you said
big
6,
big
8
moves.
hour trades. That's what the
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like if you're
I'm
someone
talking
looking, or
about
even
max
days.
60 points here. Right now I have
Okay, I
a
would say
5
you're
M&Q and I'm layering out I'm thinking layering out 1 at 20, 2 at 40, 2 at 60. So that give a 2R return. And
so you,
then 40 points would be basically 1R. So a $200 profit at 40 points. And then
It's a
if your
7,
last
8 hour
target gets
trade.
filled, it's yeah, man. This week, dude, I've just left so much profit on the table because usually I'll enter with just a stop loss, no profit target. And then just kind of gauge where I want to take profit.
this is going to 380.
And it's kind of been biting me this week.
It's because you're not in a 7, 8 hour trade, dude. That's what it is.
Yeah, getting those long trades, bro.
Yo, actually,
So
hold on.
I do-
Wait, let me show you
Yeah.
my stats for this month. I think is this my average hold time? Or wait. Where is it at?
I want to see
Oh, my
60
longest
36, 30-ish.
Waiting for 398, 396. That's
I
pretty
mean,
much
my
a
longest
low
trade
on
this
NQ.
month was 8 hours. My average hold time is 26 minutes.
8 hours. Holy shit.
Yeah, I think that was the overnight gold swing.
Thank you, and taking the crowd. Case
Okay.
cannot say anything about me holding trades.
Mm-hmm.
I took 20 to 400 there. Another 20 points.
Yeah, so
Small size.
I'm
I'm there's two micros for me. I'm going in tiny size right now. I'm not going crazy.
I was looking at this guy on X. He trades with Apex, with 25K account, the 25K account, and what he does is like he trades like he does overnight trades with like 3 or 5, like 3 micros. So he opened the
Here's the gap
position
fill.
in the afternoon, and then around 6, 7, I don't know, and then he closed the position the next day in the morning, and he can that way he catch big move with 2 or 3 micros. Oh, I like these
Guys,
levels
I
on
took
NQ.
You said he puts a position on at market Globex open. Is that what you said?
How does he trade overnight though?
Like
Does Apex not kill your trade at 5 o'clock or 4:50, whatever it
no,
is?
he opens the trade after that, like in the afternoon after
Oh,
that.
okay.
At Globex open.
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Guys, I took that long on gold With 1 micro, if CN54 holding, if the market greets with me and 60 is reclaimed, I will add to the position targeting 68.
Might be interested down here
Yeah,
at
I'm
longs.
long.
370 I really like for a structural 50%. Then overnight low, and we got the gap fill here too.
Yeah,
Yeah,
a
I
long
love
here
this
on
80
NQ.
Oh, is
area.
that actually where we bounced last night? Yeah, that's where we bounced last night, it looks
Yep.
like. The that
Yes,
RTH
yeah.
gap fill.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. I'm starting taking some
383,
profits here.
384. Yeah, this looks good. I wanted a little bit lower, but I could have taken it there. That was a good spot too. ES though, I think can come down to that PDL at 68.30. I think there's still a possibility there. But this is a pretty decent spot for a long. So it's so quiet. Everybody is watching so intently right now. What's gonna happen?
Yeah, I'm in a long position, so that's
Yeah,
why.
I love that.
Me too. And I just added to the loan.
So what I did was I bought like micros and I took profits on the first push, and then I'm holding only 1 micro, but I added minis. I got it with minis, and I'm only holding 1 mini, but I added 2 micros. So to see if we can have like a bigger, okay, beautiful,
And
a
what a
bigger
fucking
push.
push.
Yeah, that was great. I was.
I kind of wanted
That's a
one
good trade.
more trade. I wanted one more like kind of
Yeah, I'm all
push
out
down.
with the
I was
micros. I'm sorry, with the minis.
nice. So you're holding two more micros, ADR.
Yeah,
You
I'm
get two
holding two
micros. You're holding
micros,
on.
so I'm
Yeah,
gonna post it
I'd be looking
on the chat.
maybe 530. I mean, I know it's a huge move, but if we're holding a couple micros, you might want to see. I mean, I guess you could start thinking about 470, 480, but 530 would be pretty wild back up into that. Yeah, Amp. I wanted 80. I wanted closer to 85. I know it's only 5 points. It seems silly, but that's really what I wanted.
I wanted to see kind of overnight low sweep, to be honest.
Yeah.
Into
Well, I was gonna start
370.
at 85, knowing 82 is your level, knowing we probably slide through that, right, a little bit. So I was gonna get in a little early, but I was too late, even trying to be a little early.
I just took partials on that long on gold at 63.
So this 470 area is interesting. Nice, Sasha. Jeez, I just looked at gold. I was not watching gold. That's nice, beautiful move.
Thanks.
Yeah, I like this for maybe more upside, a little bit more.
Yeah, I think if you get over that 470, I do think that there's room up, right?
Yeah.
Like this is kind of you look at the overnight, right, between really midnight and 4 a.m.
Yeah,
and we held
475. I want to see
470. Yeah,
475.
we and then I think what you're looking for is kind of that previous day low, right? Like up into that 530. There's a big it's 60 points there, I know, but I think we can get there.
Yep.
And with being two micros, it's not necessarily hard to hold it extra long, right? It's not
Yeah,
not
that's
huge.
mm-hmm.
Probably already up nicely from those minis too, right? So you have a little bit of cushion.
Yeah, I posted on the chat.
Oh, okay. Too many windows, not enough screens. Oh yeah, oh yeah. You're in good shape. Yeah, I like that a lot. I like that a lot.
I'm watching 856 on ES. If can hold that as support, I think we're gonna go back to morning high.
I guess yeah. It's wicked market.
I'm gonna sell one here, only holding one runner.
It's crazy because I'm seeing gold and it's moving with the market.
Yeah, it's like a puzzle every day. The first 30 minutes, you need to wait to see if it's gonna align with a yes or just gonna go whatever you
The
want to do.
first I took a trade. The first one it got me for like $200.
Yeah, the setup had to be really good for me to take it before 10.
You smart. You smart. I am learning.
I try to learn every day. Doesn't go well for me, but I'm trying.
Be all learning. We all have a very big goal for next year.
Is it 1 million?
I want to call it F money.
What is it?
I want to
Okay,
call
did
it
you say
F money.
FU money?
The
Yeah,
amount,
yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Yeah.
that's the
Okay.
amount I
Okay.
want.
I like that. That's good. 5,500, 25.5. Okay. I mean, 5,500 is weird leaving the 2 out, but that's your next little area, and then right up to your 530. This is beautiful, ADR. Like what a situation. This is great.
If we freaking go back to yes
Sorry,
And
and
guys,
then
I don't want to
high.
call you
RTH.
off, but I have a partials at 66.10, and I want to leave a runners to see if we're gonna reclaim on your high, or is what's gonna happen up there.
Yeah, I made a little bit back with that move. So
Yeah, beautiful. I mean, it's ADR. I mean, damn. Look at this. Right back to that five. We just talked about this 530. Right back to 530.
Yeah, just keep
Absolutely
moving my
perfect.
Yeah, we're
stop
coming
loss
into a
higher.
cluster of VWAPs here. Previous day low, RTH VWAP.
You
And
looking for more
then
ADR?
Mm. I'm just
Or-
moving my stop loss higher. I'm only holding one runner now.
Okay, yeah, just trailing. I love that.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Sorry, Amped. Go ahead. I didn't mean to cut you off, buddy.
no, you're good. Saying how we're coming into previous day low and like 3 clusters of VWAPs here.
This is crazy.
But
Are we at the 50% thing? What's it called that we talked about the other day?
of
no,
no, we're not at 50% yet.
50, what 50?
You're talking about the orb 50 or the
For the
daily 50?
50% retracement.
Yeah, retracement. Yeah.
No.
Yeah, for the orb or the daily candle. Which one?
The daily.
It's just talk.
No, we're
Oh
not there
no,
yet.
daily 50%'s up at 700.
On NQ is at 700 and on ES is at
700.
6890.50.
No, like
Now,
okay, it's the morning only during regular hours.
you talking about the leg 50%?
Or you're talking about the orb 50%. The orb 50% is at 600, 25.6.
I guess it's the orb.
You wanna somebody show her? Somebody show her, please.
Yeah. Hold on. So here's the
Help a
So
sister out.
I'm talking
yo.
about
I
what
got
I have the
happened.
5-minute OR up there, which is the green line. And then
so
we're at
here's
previous week's 50 here.
No, it is not the previous week. It's what we talked about last week about what Kane does, where the 50%
Yeah,
retracement
50% of the
from the
leg.
morning
Yeah,
top.
so
Yeah.
okay, yeah. So you'd basically just take the
when you say the leg, you're talking about this 930 kind of open, so 50% of the 630 down to the 390.
Down to the 390. Yes.
So you're saying this open, right? So I'm assuming, because I don't trade Kane, I don't know who he is. If you're saying
you know
the
who
leg
Kane
from this,
is.
I probably have seen him, but he's not. I mean, 630.
Yeah, so this is, I think this is what you're talking about here.
If so, you're over the 50%. If it's what I think you're looking at. Oh yeah.
I think
Oh,
she's
okay.
talking.
All right. So that's even before the open. You're saying the high from earlier this morning.
Yeah, just like
That's
a leg.
seven.
He
I don't
uses like
know
legs,
if he
like
used
market legs.
what times he
Okay.
used. I don't know if
So he's
it is
looking
the
for some.
open at like 9:30 or if he used like the entire overnight move, to be honest.
I don't think he
Okay.
I guess I'm
uses
gonna
per
I need to
se
rewatch that video.
A specific time frame.
I don't think he uses a time frame. Like he
So
just
he's
uses visually like the legs of price.
yeah. So he's looking more like, okay, where was an important swing high, right? And that would have been
Yeah.
around that 7:30 a.m. time frame Eastern, right? And then he's looking for
Yeah.
that low, which obviously is our over, which is the low we hit this morning. So your 50% is 540. You're literally sitting at it currently.
Okay, yeah. So basically
This is
here
why.
he'll be looking for puzzle reaction, which align with my 550, 540 resistance level.
This is why I want to have a meeting with all of us. And I'm not talking about like the rest of, no offense, guys, to everybody listening.
Mm,
Um,
I look forward to that.
Yeah.
yeah, to just an internal meeting with everybody that on voice.
He's looking for a meeting with management. Sorry, guys. Everybody else gets lost, I guess.
Man,
I
EF is
am
gonna
down
go
to
back
one
to
micro
morning high.
on. Yeah, I'm down to one
And
micro
good
on
trade
the.
for who snagged those
Yeah, I'm
longs.
still
man.
holding my runner.
Listen, I'm a little salty, just a smidge.
That was, yeah,
I
I know.
literally
We both
had
talk about this level, the
Mm.
400, 396.
yeah, and I was
Yeah.
like, I want to get close to 82. So I missed this move by legit 4 points or 5 points, and that'll do some mental damage today.
I
I will
know.
recover. I'll be
I know.
fine, but ooh,
Been there.
yeah. Last night I was in a short and bailed before it dipped hard. I was like,
Yeah.
okay, yeah, it is what it is. It's fine, fine.
Saw some pretty
Again,
down at the lows, pretty decent like short-term support, I guess. That was good. Good trade, guys.
It was fantastic. Just having somebody in it makes me feel good because that was a great trade we talked about. It's fantastic.
okay, guys. The GC is at the level that I want to see if it's gonna reject or reclaim.
Yeah, it's nice. I should have taken that long. Kind of wanted to, but
Sellers couldn't even take overnight low, so I'm kind of curious.
John Paul didn't mean any no disrespect with that. You know, it's just I want to. We all have different strategies, and it's good for us to be all aligned so that we can teach you guys better, right?
Yeah.
But I mean, at the same time, I mean, the situation today. Look, Sasha with a fantastic gold call out, right? Then
Oh,
we
yeah.
called out this low on NQ. I mean, covering all the bases, but it would be. I agree, Case. It's good if we can get all on the same page. It it does, and people can actually chime in if they want. Does it get to be a little too much? There is a lot of us talking, and I know, and we try to all respect each other in terms of like stopping, right? So someone else can jump in and speak, but it can be a bit much. So, that's something else we could talk about too.
Not. I mean, we're providing great content. You know.
I don't disagree. I don't disagree.
Yeah.
Yep. I think it's fantastic content. I mean, we took
Yeah.
either of the trades this morning. I mean, Amped called 70 twice, nailed that twice. Then we called this low, nailed that, and Sasha called gold. I mean, a lot of good plays this morning.
I trail my stop on the gold to 63 because if we reject, I don't want to be in any loans.
Part of me wants to try previous day low long.
I mean, I don't necessarily blame you.
People on YouTube are liking having different perspective of the market, so they like hearing you guys.
Nice.
Nice.
We're famous.
The
Hey, what's
only
up,
thing,
YouTube fam?
the only thing
Welcome back
amp
to
that
my
I'm worried
video.
about is the nice is the orb low being right there and VWAP right here,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
That's the only thing that concerns me. Otherwise, I like the idea, right? ES is back into the orb low. It's pushed back through, but it's rejecting the midline of the orb low. So, torn, but it could really work out. What would you be targeting amp if you were in hypothetically? 590?
I am in at 555. Kind of seeing us
Okay.
hold
So since you are in,
24-hour VWAP. I'm gonna try to stick to my layered. So I'm taking them off at 20 points, then 30, then 40, which
okay.
kind of aligns us with OR mid. But we are kind of struggling right here to get back above.
Or not. Or not. Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right.
What
First
the
target.
heck is that? Look at that. The movement is aggressive.
I
Come
got
on.
the first target there.
Come on. Give us a little more. I took some off too. There, amped.
Despite this fall, like we gotta understand, we're still in a buy the dip environment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, yeah.
Welcome to the stock market. I mean, for the
Yeah,
most part, that is the move, right?
Mm-hmm.
yeah,
So now, granted, we're going to go through long stints of, I say long stints. We go through bear markets. It does happen. Where buying the dip can be a painful process,
yeah,
but for the most part, you just buy the dip, right? And this is what we talked about: long-term DCAing consistently. It's what it's about, right? Like I just even Desi talks about he was using M1 for a long time. You just keep adding in. You just keep adding in. This is it,
yeah.
right? There's a lot to be said about just doing that over and over again.
I do that with NVIDIA every month. It don't matter where it is.
Bro, the
Yeah,
tape has been nothing but green since the lows.
Yeah. So I bought a lot of shares of a lot of stuff on November when we have the lows. When was it? I bought it on November 20th and then 21st. Pretty much bought the bottom the past 2 months. And everything is up a lot already. So basically in this market, I will say the next 3 years also, Trump is never gonna allow the market to go down too much. So whenever you have like, let's see. Well, that's what I do. This is not financial advice. So you do whatever you want to do. But we had like a over 6% pullback,
nice
right?
amped.
So I think it's definitely worth it buying the dip here. You have 5-6% pullback in the market.
Sorry,
Why not?
ADR. I trail my stop on the goal because we are not fully to like reclaim 68, and it could be trapping buyers.
think that
Damn, amped, you still in this?
Yeah, I moved my last target up to 5-minute OR mid.
So yeah, I 90 was what I
But
wanted.
yeah, my one
I
R
already got
just
out.
hit, so I'm thinking of moving my stop break even.
I'm
think we're
still
gonna-
holding my
200
runner
bucks.
also.
Oh my god, ADR. Wow.
Um,
Well,
Enki
hold on.
just
So hold on.
hit the golden pocket.
When did you get in with the micros, ADR?
Oh, okay. I'm
Well,
gonna
what was your
send you
entry?
the
My
picture.
target. I'm gonna move my target. Sorry, I'm moving my target up.
Almost at the bottom. It was 419.
Okay, so you now are almost 200 points. We're getting there. You're about 30 points away from 200 points. That's a move.
Yep.
What a great trade. What a great trade. Nope, Anthony. Okay. Okay. So this was 90 was what I wanted to see. I took it off early because what I do.
Would be careful at
90.
600 on NQ.
Yep.
Yeah,
You
yeah,
can,
Yeah,
we
we are
have.
coming into
trade.
yesterday's sort of lower distribution.
So, but ES is breaking out of orb high currently,
Yeah.
right? So,
Yeah, but like,
Dude, how
but
It's right at resistance, yes.
yeah.
dude, how nice would a gap close be?
uh,
What is that? All the way up at 720?
I don't have this as resistance.
788. That would be nuts.
I don't think we see.
I
more
mean, right
resistance
now,
points
no
here.
sellers are
Yeah.
present here whatsoever. There's 0 sellers present.
Yeah, this is absolutely ripping.
You can see down below the CVD is green, and then the thing below it is like the tape and the average on the tape. And
Oh yeah,
you
there's
can see
nothing
at the
but.
lows, there's nothing but buyers on the tape.
Well, in fact, look at we're getting even more buyers in now, right? Like it was kind of steady. Now it's climbing up. I mean, yeah, that's a lot.
I'll close out there. That was a good trade. Very good trade. $40. 120. 200. Yeah, that was a $400 trade.
When does this 5 minute close? I got a meeting at 11:30 that I have to go to. I will be. I mean 10:30. I'll be out of here shortly. Just for a little bit. I think we'll see.
It's gonna rip. Yep.
I mean, it's
Guys,
already ripping. I can't do much else to it, right? Like, I mean, if
You're
it's
right.
5 minutes
guys,
though,
a quick reminder: will X log out? The market move.
yeah, exactly. Everybody knows, right? The second I
No,
go,
today's probably
get
opposite
ready.
day, dude. He's gonna get off, and now we're just gonna chop.
I don't know. This at this 5 minute look at ES. If this 5 minute closes up here, I think you got more room, guys. Like,
We have a little bit more upside to fill the entire gap on
that's what I'm saying.
ES.
Like,
NQ, we
we
still
do.
have a big
Yeah,
gap above.
ES can get up to 90 before I think we see
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
trouble, right? So
Yep.
maybe 88, 90, something like that. But there's some room still. First of like almost 10 points, 7 points, whatever it is. This 5 minute is going to close in a second over 68.80. Wow.
Go stop me out at 70 when they rejected. It's fully in sync with ES, and since EX is rejecting 6880 briefly, it just
I think
smack.
ES is holding 68.80.
Yeah.
Well, on the lower time frames. But not
Oh, okay. I'm looking at the 5 minute. That's what I'm seeing right now.
Okay, I got stop out there. Pretty happy. I'm done.
200 points? You got
overall,
your 200?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's beautiful. What a play. What a
Mm.
play. I could be red today, still be happy.
Thank you.
Yeah, look at this. I mean, Jesus. Yeah, great trade. That see the gap
So
right
good.
there.
Okay, so now watch ES into 75. If we get there, NQ was at 600 touching the midline, the 50% of the orb. What? Oh my God! Right off 600. Looking decent now. Looking good for some more. All right, kids. Let me get to my meeting. I'll be back if I can. I'll see how long this is. If I don't talk to you, then everybody, I'll talk to you tomorrow.
Yeah, I'll talk to you Monday.
All right, later, ADR.
Talk to you Monday
Yep.
too.
YM taking previous month high.
Let's go shopping. Yeah, I'm gonna go shopping. I need a new
Yeah,
computer.
YM new all-time highs on the futures.
Right.
Dude, I swear some of these charts are way cleaner than NQNES. Like RTY and YM structurally is like just a lot more cleaner. Yeah, like the RTY was a good overnight retest in the previous week's high. Caught a bid, and then YM retested previous day's 50% and just ran.
ADR, I just bought more share of Netflix
You what? I'm
at
sorry?
93. Just bought more shares of Netflix at
Oh.
93.
I honestly don't like Netflix. I don't. I think
For
it's
the
very
long
easy to
term,
be
I do.
replaced. So I buy.
Depend.
I like more tech, like tech that it can be used in different companies. Um, and I really like Robinhood and Palantir. I think Robinhood and Palantir are gonna be huge in the future. Like everyone is gonna be using Robinhood in the future. And Palantir, that thing is gonna know even what we think before even start thinking. Like they're gonna be what. So you guys know how China is with their people. Like they know everything about you. Like
Mm-hmm.
literally everything. That's what Palantir is gonna do for the government. So I think also they're gonna be
Mm-hmm.
huge in the future. So I'm buying a lot of Palantir and Hood, and I was looking at what was the other one? I forgot. Yeah, I like really Meta and Tesla, but not because of what they do, what they have. So for me, Tesla is not like a car company. It's a they what what it's very important about Tesla is the info they have with their cars, and they're gonna have even more info. They're gonna know everything that we do at home with their robots. And Meta, they 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 have like 3 billion people on their or on Facebook and IG, so they also know everything that we do, and they listened us through our phones.
I,
So it's more about
I
what
don't.
they're gonna do in the future with our info.
Yeah, I have a few shares of Tesla and a few shares of Meta. Um, I don't own Robinhood or Palantir, but I do own SoFi.
I like SoFi, yes. These sound terrifying. Oh, that's what's calm. Just I remember Elon talking about how is everything on China, and and he said that we were going there, like the US and every single country is gonna do the same thing. And that's what Palantir is it's doing right now. It's just the beginning for Palantir.
Yeah, I'm gonna do more research about them. Like every month, I'm buying a little piece or every pullback.
Yeah, so um if you want to know a little bit more about Palantirs, watch videos of Peter Thiel. He's one of the owners of Palantir. I don't know if you guys know who he is, but he's huge in tech. Like he was the one that made Facebook what it is right now. He put the money on Facebook when nobody knew what Facebook was or nobody believed on Zuck.
I seen that a clip of the interview that is going around TikTok where he
Yeah, he's a little
explained
bit
a little
cuckoo.
bit. Yeah.
He's a little bit cuckoo, but he's very smart. And everything that he touched pretty much turns in gold.
I like gold.
Hmm.
Made my money back. I'm
Um,
down $10
Ace,
now.
Ace, 75, just say hi to you.
Yeah, I know. I saw it. I'm watching. I'm trading it. It's what's making my money back right now.
Go to the rescue.
Yeah, for real. I caught it at PDH. Like when it dipped below PDH around 10:28. I took the next candle. So down $10, 42 dollars on one account, $10 on the other one.
That's a
There's
good
that.
Do we
day.
hold? Does NQ hold the 70s again here?
I actually don't like NQ. I think NQ is gonna reject again if it gets under the orb. NQ is the weaker of the two, so it's got more.
Yeah.
There's a higher probability of it failing, unlike ES. But that's just analysis.
Yeah, I'm not gonna keep trading here, but this is what I'm looking on ES and NQ. I'm gonna post it in the chat.
It's
Jackie,
the
you are
VIX
Yeah.
too in
totally
case.
Jackie, I was trading gold when it wasn't popular.
just the Grinch. That's why we had Josh to keep him in shape.
I think I got some posts on. Let me see my Instagram. See when the hell I started trading gold. I think it was when a couple of years ago, a few years ago.
Well, I'm done for today. I'm not gonna keep trading. I had an awesome trade. So I
Yeah,
talk
that
to
was
you
easy.
guys on Monday. Have a
Yeah, ADR.
good weekend.
Thank
I'm
you,
gonna
ADR.
see you,
Bye.
ADR. I'm
See
gonna
ya.
follow ADR footsteps. I am green like the Grinch, and I'm not gonna go. So I will see you guys
See ya.
Monday.
Bye.